We're going to say that in sexual reproduction, there is a replication of cells from the parent, whereby the offsprings are formed and they have the same genetic composition as their parents. While in sexual reproduction, there's of course a mix up of genetic materials which result in the formation of a species with a slightly different characteristic of a genetic composition. So basically, when we were talking about the concept of a cell as a unit of the basic unit of life, we said that a cell consists of different kinds of cellular organization or contents that we refer to as cell organelles. Now, these cell organelles have different functions, and in this case, we're going to see that in the process of mitosis and meiosis, it involves specific set of these cell organelles, and I've given in this case the label for the nuclear envelope, the nucleus, and this an organelle at this specific point, which is next to the nuclear envelope that we refer to as the centrioles. Sorry for that. And we're going to see that the centriole plays an important role in trying to facilitate this concept of a cell division that we refer to as either mitosis or meiosis. Now, basically, this cell division occurs through a combination of mainly of three organelles that I've listed, and this is the nucleus, the chromosomes, and the centrioles. We're going to see that at a specific point, the interaction or the coordination between these three specific organelles result in this process of cell division. And then now we are going to look at one of the organelles that play a central role in this particular case for the process of mitosis. And these are the chromosomes. And in our discussion about the concept of the cell and the cell organelles, we said that this specific cell organelle that we refer to as the chromosome plays a fundamental role in carrying genetic materials of this specific organism that consists of this range of cells, one of which I've just illustrated on the board. Number two is that it plays an important role in gene regulation, protein synthesis, and even cell replication, as we have talked about the concept of asexual reproduction. Now, for the centrioles, which I've just indicated by these two arrows, a centriole also is a cell organelle that is bear-shaped and is located in the cytoplasm, which is the liquid part of this cell, or this cell as a unit or a basic unit of life, and it's near the nuclear envelope, as I've illustrated. Now, the role of the centriole basically for this kind of a process is that it ensures that the formation of the spindle fibers, which I'm going to show shortly at this specific point, which are thread-like structures, in this case, of course, assist in the formation of a cell division in this specific process of mitosis. And apart from that, we're going to see also that the nucleus, which at some point is going to be involved in some processes to facilitate this cell division, also plays a key role in this process of cell division. Now, having talked about the concept of chromosomes, these are thread-like structures, as we can be able to see, which basically are found inside the nucleus.